basabone banyabo secretary general agenda okulaga ekifaananyi ekitongole
obwe abine entebe ekanisa zo kwesimba hawa president bari kugumza mukuya empapura abanyamyogo mu kibiina kya NRM bashohoze ekishushani kya president Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ekirakoresebwa mu karuru k'2026 akariyo nikabindabinda
soka atongoza ekifaananyi
because if we don't have culture, we don't respect our cultures, we will be nobody. We have got to respect our cultures. It's very, very important. And it unites us. But I don't want to see people using it to divide us.
ahari ababesimbira hande ngo zitari zimwe na zimwe bashabo korese bigambo ebitari kutanisa abantu no kureta hengungu omitima y'abatezi bakaruru.
There are quite a lot of details about NRM that you cannot easily see when you are crowded with mediocrity, when you are crowded with all sorts of unnecessary things. NRM is a party for the people and it gets its mandate from the people.
Ibintu byara bikoze uko ngati kitwere no kwerengu abanyuganda bayongera habutungi bwabo abanyuganda babingo bworo omumaka gabo abanyuganda bagira entasya kureba ngo myaka yo maisho ebituje byora tubirindege
ahamshango eyarjuro mu karura kahwire Honorable Mwine Mpaka MP wa Mbara City South, Honorable Julius Tsime Karuhanga MP wa Rwampara East, Moses Kahima wa Ruhama East n'abandi bahambwa nkabasinguzo kwate bendera ya NRM ombyanga byabo.
Cyayoreka ngo akarukitu kakasinga omushango bagubinga so ni sima abantu bona abambara City South ni sima kibina cyita cya ayene bakura karuraka ni sima buri omwe aba security abamahurire buri omwe wa participate nyiro mu karuraka kandi hatiyo ndizo mu karuru k'ekibina kebina byona so ntubashaba ebibireho byona musasirane
twiciriza ningo by'akaruru bikahwa tugarike twataga ninkishemwe kenyine yemwe za NRM turunda n'abantu babe bamwe tureke kubabaganisamo tureke kubaha amasiko gatariho tubase okureba ngo twakorera ekibina cyitwa NRM
gasha kwa Jimmy Mhumza.